In the heart of the unforgiving Arctic, a team of adventurers led by a brave geologist embarks on a perilous journey. Allison's eyes widen as she uncovers a hidden passage beneath the ice, beckoning the team into its chilling depths. Step by step, the team ventures into the icy cavern, unaware of the malevolent presence that lurks within. Shadows consume one of their own, leaving the team to confront the terrifying reality of the cave's sinister secrets. Panic grips the team as they witness their companions vanish into the icy abyss, leaving Allison to grapple with a growing sense of dread. An otherworldly mist encroaches upon the team, weaving a sinister web of fear and despair as it begins its relentless pursuit. Heartbeats thunder in the icy confines as the team races against time, pursued by an ancient evil that shows no mercy. With grim determination, the leader steers her team towards the faint glimmer of hope, knowing that their survival hangs by a thread. The mist's fury intensifies, manifesting a calculated malice that traps the team in a harrowing battle for their lives. Dread lingers in the geologist's gaze, haunted by the repercussions of unlocking a horror that should have remained buried in the icy depths. The cavern's yawning maw looms ominously, a silent sentinel guarding the secrets of the ancient terror that lurks below. The Arctic expanse stretches in silent repose, concealing the icy abyss and the nightmares that dwell within, a stark reminder of the untold terrors that await those who dare to seek them.